So you're trying to prepare for your IELTS Writing Test 2 section, but you have no idea how exactly you should be formatting your essay. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss how exactly you should be structuring your problem and solution essay question type you may see on your IELTS Writing Test 2 section. So for those of you who don't know, you may be given one of 7 essay question types in your Writing Test 2 section, and each question type has a completely different essay structure you need to follow. So you need to make sure that you know the exact essay format for every single question type you may see, because you don't know which question type you may get on your exam day. So make sure you keep watching to learn about how exactly you should format your problem and solution essay type. So a problem and solution essay question type pretty much asks you to state the problem in your essay and then come up with a solution for that particular question that the examiner is asking you. So have a look at how exactly you should format your essay. So paragraph 1 should be your introduction, paragraph 2 should be your problem, paragraph 3 should be your solution, and then paragraph 4 should be your conclusion. So for the problem and solution, you need to make sure that you have main ideas, and with the main ideas, you need to have supporting ideas like backup evidences of the problem and solution. So if you are not sure how many main ideas you need to have for every single paragraph, or how many supporting ideas you need to have to back up your reasons, make sure you check out this IELTS Writing Test 2 booklet up above. I've included all the 7 different essay templates you may see in your IELTS exam, as well as what exactly to include in sentence 1, in sentence 2, in sentence 3, for every single essay template. And so make sure you check this out. I have a promotion right now. The IELTS Writing Test 2 essay template booklet is on sale, so don't miss that, because I really think this template booklet will really help you up your game, and where you will be able to get a high band in your IELTS writing exam. Because remember, one of the band descriptors are how clear and concise you write your essay in. That's what the examiner will be marking you on. So you need to make sure you know exactly how to write your essay in the most clearest and concisest manner. So have a look at how many sentences should be included in every single paragraph. So your introduction should have a maximum of 4 sentences, followed by your first body paragraph, which should also be a maximum of 4 sentences. Then your second body paragraph should also be a maximum of 4 sentences. Then finally, your conclusion should be a maximum of 3 sentences. Guys, you need to make sure you follow this essay format to the T, because you want to make sure you get a high band. I genuinely want to help all of you guys. I really hope you succeed in your IELTS exam, because I know how challenging it could be, especially the writing section. So make sure you follow this guide, and make sure you check out that template booklet so you know exactly how to structure every single essay type you may see in this part of the exam. So guys, if you like the information I'm providing you so far, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like, because I put out videos every Friday on this channel and you don't want to miss this information. And guys, speaking of different essay structures, make sure you check out this video up above of a Band 9 advantages and disadvantages essay structure you can see to help you get a high band in your IELTS writing exam.